Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new Gmail account on iPhone without phone number. If you want to create a new Gmail account on iPhone, so guys, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to create a new Gmail account on iPhone and iPad without phone number. Tap on the settings app on your iPhone and little bit scroll up and tap on apps. Little bit scroll up again and tap on mail. Tap on add account. You can see appears on screen many options: iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook and others. Tap on Google. You can see appears on screen accounts, Google accounts. Tap on create account. You can see appears on screen create a new account. Tap on next. Enter your date of birth. Tap on gender. You can see appears on screen how you will sign in. Create a Gmail address for sign into your Google account. You can see tap on. You can see appears on screen create a strong password. Enter strong password. You can see enter again, verified your password. Tap on next. You can see appears on screen phone number. Enter your phone number. You can see appears on screen. Enter the code. Enter your verification code. You can see appears on screen add recovery email. Tap on skip. Tap on next. Little bit scroll up. Tap on I agree terms and condition. You can see appears on screen sign into iOS. Tap on continue. iOS wants to access to your Google account. Tap on select all. Tap on continue and wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen. Tap on save. Go back. Tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up. Tap on apps. Tap on mail. Tap on mail accounts. You can see appears on screen create email. You can see create email on iPhone successfully. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to create Gmail account on iPhone latest 2024 and 25 method. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.